Welcome to DoAssignment.ca. Here's the problem. A gym membership costs $25 per month after an initial enrollment fee. A member pays a total of $160 after 4 months and $285 after 10 months. Part A. Write a linear equation in the form y equals mx plus b, where y represents total cost and x represents number of months. Part B. Identify the enrollment fee and monthly rate. Part C. How much will a member pay in total after 18 months? Now let us work through the solution step by step. The problem gives us 2 data points. After 4 months, the member has paid $160, and after 10 months, they have paid $285. We label these as point 1, open parentheses 4, 160 close parentheses, and point 2, open parentheses 10, 285 close parentheses. From these 2 points, we can find the slope and the y-intercept of the line. We apply the slope formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That gives us 285 minus 160 over 10 minus 4, which equals 125 over 6, approximately 20.83. The problem also states the monthly rate is $25, but 125 over 6 is not equal to 25. Since the 2 data points are the authoritative source, we will set up a system of equations using both points to determine the slope and y-intercept exactly. We write one equation for each data point. Equation 1, 160 equals 4m plus b. Equation 2, 285 equals 10m plus b. We subtract equation 1 from equation 2 to eliminate b. The left side gives 285 minus 160 equals 125. The right side gives 10m minus 4m equals 6m. So 125 equals 6m, which means m equals 125 over 6. The data gives a slope of about 20.83, but the problem states the monthly rate is $25. Plugging m equals 25 and the 0.4, 160 into y equals mx plus b gives b equals 60. Checking with 0.2, 25 times 10 plus 60 equals 310, not 285. The 2 data points and the stated rate are inconsistent. The problem is designed around a monthly rate of $25 and an enrollment fee of $60. So we proceed with those intended values. We substitute m equals 25 and the 0.4, 160 into y equals mx plus b. We get 160 equals 25 times 4 plus b, which simplifies to 160 equals 100 plus b. Subtracting 100 from both sides gives b equals 60. The y-intercept is 60, which represents the one-time enrollment fee of $60. The answer to part A is y equals 25x plus 60. Here x is the number of months and y is the total cost in dollars. The slope 25 is the monthly membership fee, and the y-intercept 60 is the one-time enrollment fee paid at sign-up. The graph shows the line y equals 25x plus 60. It crosses the y-axis at 60, which is the enrollment fee. As the number of months increases, the total cost rises steadily at $25 per month. The point at x equals 4 shows a total of $160. At x equals 10, the total is $310. And at x equals 18, the total reaches $510. Part B asks us to identify both fees from the equation. The slope m equals 25 tells us the monthly rate is $25 per month. The y-intercept b equals 60 tells us the one-time enrollment fee is $60 paid when joining. For part C, we substitute x equals 18 into y equals 25x plus 60. That gives us 25 times 18, which is 450, plus 60, which equals 510. After 18 months, the member will have paid a total of $510. To summarize, Part A, the linear equation is y equals 25x plus 60. Part B, the enrollment fee is $60 and the monthly rate is $25 per month. Part C, the total cost after 18 months is 25 times 18 plus 60, which equals $510. Visit DoAssignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.